In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to assign conversations to team members in Business Suite. Clear ownership of messages keeps your response times fast and your customers happy, and assigning threads takes just a moment. First, open a browser and go to business.facebook.com. This is Meta Business Suite on the web. If you're prompted, sign in and make sure you're in the correct business account with the right permissions, such as admin or moderator, so you can manage inbox conversations. Next, select your Facebook page. If you manage more than one, use the page switcher to pick the page you want to work on. Everything you do from here will apply to that page's inbox. Now click Inbox in the left-hand menu. The inbox brings messages and comments from places like Facebook, Instagram, and Messenger into one workspace, which makes routing and follow-up a lot easier. Open a conversation you want to hand off. Click the thread to load the full history on the right. Take a moment to skim recent messages so you can send it to the right person with the right context. Look for the Assign option. Depending on your layout, it may appear as a button labeled Assign or as a small person icon near the top of the thread or above the reply box. Click it to open the assignment panel. Choose a team member from the list. You can scroll or type to search for the teammate who should own this conversation. Only people who already have access to this page will appear. If you don't see someone, they likely need page access before they can receive assignments. When you've selected the right person, click Assign to confirm. Some accounts display a quick confirmation prompt. Just click Assign again if asked. That's it. The conversation is now assigned and immediately visible in that team member's inbox. They'll see the thread under their assigned view, along with any labels or priority you've already set, and they may receive a notification depending on their settings. You'll also see the assignee's name on the thread, which makes it easy to track ownership at a glance. Use this process whenever a message requires a specialist, a specific language, or coverage in a different time zone. Assigning early prevents duplicate replies and ensures accountability. If priorities shift, simply repeat the same steps to reassign the thread to the right teammate. Thanks for watching. Now you know exactly how to assign conversations to team members in Business Suite so every customer gets the right reply from the right person at the right time.